Good morning, guys. Now I'm starting with the topic Paramedical Careers Academy. Okay, now I'm going to starting with afternoon shift MCQ question paper. The question number 1 is, according to biomedical waste management rules, waste generated from disposal items such as tubing bottles, intravenous tubes are collected in one of the following bag. Option A yellow, option B red, option C white, and option D blue. The correct answer is, guys, option number 2 red. Okay, you can see it very clearly. Okay, now question number 2. How much of the general health waste is generated in total biomedical waste? Option 1 15%, option 2 1%, option 3 3%, and option 4 80%. The correct answer is option number 4 80%. Question number 3. The function of the vertebral column is protection of option 1 spinal cord, option 2 thoracic organs, option 3 abdominal organs, and option 4 brain. The correct answer is option number 1 spinal cord. Question 4. The lacrimal glands of eyes secrete option 1 saliva, option 2 tears, option 3 mucus, option 4 cells. The correct answer is option number 2 tears. Okay. Question number 5. The energy produced in the body may be measured and expressed in units of heat. That is, guys, you can see on the right hand side options. You can see it clearly. First is joule, second is Celsius, third is kilocalorie, and fourth is Fahrenheit. Okay, the correct answer is, guys, option number 3 kilocalorie. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can contact Vinod sir. Okay. Question number 6. From poorly managed infectious waste and sharp instruments, one of the following infections may be transmitted. Option A cancer, option B HIV, option C malaria, and option D dengue. The correct answer is option number 2 HIV. Question 7. If there is sprain in a limb of a person, then one of the following measures should be done. Option 1 rest and support the injured in the most comfortable position. Option 2 make the injured lying. Option 3 make the injured sleep on abdomen, and option 4 make the injured stand. The correct answer is option number 1 rest and support the injured in the most comfortable position. Question 8. The rate of chest compressions to breathe in children during CPR is option 1 15 compressions and 2 breathing, option 2 15 compressions and 1 breathing, option 3 30 compressions and 2 breathing, and option 4 30 compressions and 1 breathing. The correct answer is option number 1 15 compressions and 2 breathing. See on the next page. Question number 9. A superficial wound with peeling of skin is known as option 1 cut, option 2 tone, option 3 puncture, option 4 abrasion. The correct answer is option number 4 abrasion. Question number 10. To protect water from being contaminated, Parliament enacted the first Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act in the year of option 1 1974, option 2 1984, option 3 1994 and option 4 2004. The correct answer is option number 1 1974. Question 11. Optimum period of storage of river water is considered to be of option 1 5 to 7 days, option 2 10 to 14 days, option 3 15 to 20 days and option 4 21 to 30 days. The correct answer is option number 2 10 to 14 days. Question 12. The components of a typical water purification system on large scale comprises of one of the following measures. Option 1 storage, filtration and disinfection, option 2 chemical, physical and mechanical, option 3 surveillance, option 4 survey. The correct answer is option number 1 storage, filtration and disinfection. Now on the right hand side, question number 13. How much approximately percent of available chlorine does the bleaching powder contain? Option 1 10, option 2 20, option 3 33 and option 4 50. The correct answer is option number 3 33. Okay. Question 14. How much ppm of available chlorine does the sodium hypochlorite contain? Option 1 80,000 to 1,80,000 ppm, option 2 10,000 to 25,000 ppm, option 3 30,000 to 55,000 ppm and option 4 60,000 to 80,000 ppm. The correct answer is option number 1 guys, 80,000 to 1,80,000 ppm. Okay. Question number 15. Formaldehyde is more commonly known as option 1 Savlon, option 2 Dettol, option 3 formalin, option 4 alcohol. The correct answer is option number 3 formalin. See on the next page, question number 16. Dental caries can be occurred more frequently if the excessive intake of one of the following is there. Option 1 sugar and refined carbohydrates, option 2 fruits and vegetables, option 3 water and option 4 homemade food. The correct answer is option number 1 sugar and refined carbohydrates. Question 17. The conditions resulting from infection of the eye are option 1 eye strain and cataract, option 2 conjunctivitis and trachoma, option 3 cataract and trachoma and option 4 glaucoma and trachoma. The correct answer is option number 2 conjunctivitis and trachoma. Question number 18. The amino acids which cannot be synthesized in the body are called as option 1 essential amino acids, option 2 non-essential amino acids, option 3 complete proteins, option 4 protein quality. The correct answer is option number 1 essential amino acids. See on the right hand side, question number 19. From the following, this is a water soluble vitamin. Option 1 vitamin A, option 2 vitamin B complex, option 3 vitamin E and option 4 vitamin D. The correct answer is option number 2 vitamin B complex. Question 20. The daily requirement of sodium chloride of human should be option 1 1 to 10 gram meter, option 2 1 to 0.6 gram meter, option 3 20 to 30 gram meter, and option 4 30 to 50 gram meter. The correct answer is option number 2 1 to 0.6 gram meter. Okay. Question 21. The determinants of health include all of the following except option 1 aging of the population, option 2 health system, option 3 equity and social justice, and option 4 quality of life. The correct answer is option number 4 quality of life. Question 22. A diseased condition can be explained as option 1 psychological space psychological डिसइंफेक्शन. ठीक है. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 सी ऑन दी नेक्स्ट पेज. ऑप्शन 2 अ सजेस्टिव स्टेट ऑफ पर्सन हु हैज feels aware of not being well. Option 3 social disinfection. Option 4 absence of health. The correct answer is, guys, option number 1. You can see on the page number 3. Psychological space psychological disinfection. Okay, see on the next page. Question number 23. The epidemiological trade includes the factors of option 1 agent and host, option 2 agent and environment, option 3 host and environment, and option 4 agent host and environment. The correct answer is option number 4 agent host and environment. Question 24. Wastewater from a community containing solid and liquid excreta derived from houses, street and industries is called for option 1 sewage, option 2 sewerage system, option 3 sewer apprehensions, option 4 sewage. The correct answer is option 1 sewage. Question 55. The medical model of health education is primarily interested in option 1 translate health information into the desired health action. See on the right hand side. Option number 2 recognition and treatment of disease, option 3 combination of all models, and option 4 activation of group participation. The correct answer is option number 2 recognition and treatment of disease. Question 26. From the following, these all can be included in the health education except option 1 human biology, option 2 nutrition, option 3 hygiene, and option 4 entertainment. The correct answer is option number 4 entertainment. Question 27. Wastewater which does not contain human excreta, example wastewater from kitchens, is called as option 1 sewage, option 2 sewerage system, option 3 sewer apprehensions, and option 4 sewage. The correct answer is option number 4 sewage. Question 28. The point at which the residual chlorine appears and when all combined chlorine have been completely destroyed is called as option 1 corresponding dosage, option 2 breakpoint dosage, option 3 breakpoint chlorination, and option 4 superchlorination. The correct answer is option number 3 breakpoint chlorination. See on the next page. Question number 29. The most effective and cheapest method of disinfecting wells is option 1 bleaching powder, option 2 potassium permanganate, option 3 ozonation, and option 4 ultraviolet irradiation. The correct answer is option 1 bleaching powder. Question 30. Measles can be transmitted by the option 1 contact, option 2 droplet infection, option 3 blood contact, option 4 nosocomial infection. The correct answer is option number 2 droplet infection. Question 31. The non-suppurative enlargement and tenderness of one or both the parotid glands are known as the disease of option 1 cancer, 2 rubella, 3 mumps, 4 chickenpox. The correct answer is option number 3 mumps. Okay. See on the right hand side 32 question. For immunization against the diphtheria, the vaccine of choice is option 1 tuberculin vaccine, option 2 DPT vaccine, option 3 hepatitis vaccine, and option 4 oral drops of polio. The correct answer is option number 2 DPT vaccine. Question 33. The Child Guidance Clinic for psychotherapy following methods are employed except option 1 play therapy, option 2 counseling, option 3 reconstructions of parental attitudes, option 4 scolding. The correct answer is option number 4 scolding. Question 34. For remedial measure and follow-up, special clinics should be conducted exclusively for school children in the rural area at the option 1 child guidance clinic, option 2 community health centers, option 3 primary health centers, and option 4 dispensaries. The correct answer is option number 3 primary health centers. Next page. Question 35. From the following, this is the physical method of the barrier methods for contraception. Option 1 sterilization, option 2 foam tablets, option 3 condoms, and option 4 contraceptive pills. The correct answer is option number 3 condoms. Question 36. The aim of barrier methods of the contraception is option 1 to kill sperms, option 2 to prevent the formation of sperm, option 3 the prevent live sperms from meeting the ovum, and option 4 to release hormone. The correct answer is option number 3 to prevent live sperms from meeting the ovum. Question 37. The non-medicated or inert IUDs are often referred as option 1 first generation IUDs, option 2 second generation IUDs, option 3 third generation IUDs, and option 4 fourth generation IUDs. The correct answer is option 1 first generation IUDs. See on the right hand side question number 38. The neonatal tetanus in newborn can be prevented by vaccination of option 1 adults, option 2 children, option 3 pregnant women, and option 4 healthy baby. The correct answer is option number 3 pregnant women. Question 39. From the following, this is the genetic abnormality found in the neonates. Option 1 low birth weight, option 2 tetanus, option 3 HIV infection, and option 4 hyenectonuria. I repeat, hyenectonuria. Okay, the correct answer is option number 4 hyenectonuria. Question 40. The monetary limits of the compensation that can be granted by the district consumer court is option 1 up to 20 lakhs, option 2 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs, option 3 40 lakhs to 80 lakhs, and option 4 80 lakhs to 1 crore. The correct answer is up to 20 lakhs. Question 41. The time limit for registering the event of birth is option 1 7 days, option 2 14 days, option 3 21 days, and option 4 28 days. The correct answer is option number 3 21 days. Question 42. The sub-center provides interface with the community at the option 1 grassroots level, option 2 primary level, option 3 secondary level, and option 4 tertiary level. The correct answer is option number 1 grassroots level. Question 43. The maternal health care of sub-center includes option 1 minimum 3 antenatal checkups, option 2 every month antenatal checkups, option 3 deliveries at subcenters, and option 4 treatment of high risk pregnancies. The correct answer is option number 1 minimum 3 antenatal checkups. Question 44. The best approach to achieve goal of health for all is by providing option 1 primary health care, option 2 secondary health care, option 3 tertiary health care, and option 4 hospice care. The correct answer is option 1 primary health care. Question 45. The first level of contact of individuals, the family and community with the national health systems where the care is provided is called as option 1 primary care level, option 2 secondary care level, option 3 tertiary care level, and option 4 referral system. The correct answer is option 1 primary care level. Question 46. From the following infections, this is the important bacterial cause of acute watery diarrhea. Option 1 E. histolytica, option 2 Giardia intestine, option 3 Tuberculosis, and option 4 Escherichia coli. The correct answer is option number 4 Escherichia coli. Question 47. The Anopheles lays her eggs in the quantity of option 1 in cluster, option 2 100 to 250 eggs, option 3 50 to 100 eggs, and option 4 singly. The correct answer is option 4 singly. Question 48. The Aedes aegypti bite at the time of option A day, option 2 night, option 3 evening, and option 4 24 hours. The correct answer is option number 1 day. Question 49. The DMC in RNTCP stands for option 1 designated microscopy centers, option 2 design microscopy centers, option 3 divisional microscopy center, and option 4 depositional microscopy center. The correct answer is option 1 designated microscopy centers. Question 50. Anti-Malaria Month campaign is observed every year in the month of option 1 February, option 2 March, option 3 April, and option 4 June. The correct answer is option number 4 June. Question 51. Which of the following district of Haryana is the largest area-wise district? Option 1 Ambala, option 2 Gurugram, option 3 Bhiwani, option 4 Hisar. The correct answer is option number 3 Bhiwani. Question 52. At which place of Kurukshetra there are sugarcane mills? Option 1 Pehova, option 2 Shahabad, option 3 Ladwa, option 4 Baben. The correct answer is option number 2 Shahabad. Question 53. Which one of the following cricketer does not belong to the state of Haryana? Option 1 Ajay Ratra, option 2 Harbhajan Singh, option 3 Joginder Sharma, option 4 Kapil Dev. The correct answer is option number 2 Harbhajan Singh. Question 54. Turban worn by men of Haryana state is called? Option 1 Khandwa, option 2 Pagad, option 3 Toda, option 4 Pagdi. The correct answer is option number 1 Khandwa. क्वेश्चन 55 खुले में शौच से आज़ादी फ्रीडम फ्रॉम ओपन डेफिकेशन वीक सेलिब्रेटेड इन हरियाणा फ्रॉम ऑप्शन 1 9 to 15 August 2017, option 2 6 to 12 August 2017, option 3 13 to 19 August 2017, and option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option 1 9 to 15 August 2017. Question 56 Anangpur Dam was built in option 1 9th century AD, option 2 8th century AD, option 3 11th century AD, and option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 2 8th century AD. Question 57 Who is Haryana's Minister of State for Labour and Employment? First is Nayab Singh, second Manohar Lal, third Mr. Kamboj, and fourth Mrs. Kavita Jain. The correct answer is option 1 Nayab Singh. Question 58 Publication of popular weekly Jnanodaya was started from option 1 Hisar, option 2 Rewari, option 3 Ambala, and option 4 Gurugram. The correct answer is option number 1 Hisar. Question 59 The most important eco park of Haryana is option 1 Kalesar Wildlife Sanctuary, option 2 Nahar Wildlife Sanctuary, option 3 Bhindavas Wildlife Sanctuary, and option 4 Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. The correct answer is option number 4 Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. Question 60 With the aim to promote digital payment, the Digidhan Fair organized in Gurugram, Haryana on option 1 September 2016, option 2 November 2016, option 3 December 2016, and option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option 3 December 2016. Question 61 Dr. Sarab Singh, an academic turned politician, was former 1971 to 1974 Vice Chancellor of which university? Option 1 JNU, option 2 Banaras University, option 3 University of Delhi, and option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option 3 University of Delhi. Question 62 Which movie of Rajkumar Rao is nominated for India's official entry to the Oscar Award 2018? Option 1 NH10, option 2 City Lights, option 3 Newton, and option 4 none. The correct answer is option number 3 Newton. Question 63 Find the incorrect pair. Option 1 Editorial Cartoonist Shekhar Guera, option 2 Television Journalist Rohit Sardana, option 3 Author Preeti Singh, and option 4 Arts and Architecture Gajendra Verma. The correct answer is option number 4 Arts and Architecture Gajendra Verma. Question 64 First Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawabzada Liaquat Ali Khan was born in which district of Haryana? East Punjab. Option 1 Karnal, option 2 Sirsa, option 3 Bhiwani, and option 4 Chandigarh. The correct answer is option number 1 Karnal. Question 65. Member of the first Constituent Assembly that framed Indian Constitution who died in 2009. Option 1 Ranveer Singh Huda. Option 2 Nihal Singh Tashak. Option 3 Ganga Singh Gurjar. Option 4 Sir Chotu Ram. The correct answer is option number 1 Ranveer Singh Huda. Question 66. In Rio Olympic 2016, Sakshi Malik has clinched the bronze medal in which category? Option 1 58 kg, option 2 48 kg, option 3 55 kg and option 4 65 kg. The correct answer is option number 1 58 kg. Question 67. Which of the following is not belongs to district Bhiwani of Haryana? Option 1 Prithviraj की कचहरी. Option 2 Star Monument. Option 3 Shrines of Khera Baba and option 4 St. Paul's Church. The correct answer is option number 4 St. Paul Church. Question 68. Hisar city of Haryana was founded in which year? Option 1 1354 AD. Option 2 1456 AD. Option 3 1556 AD and option 4 1656 AD. The correct answer is option number 1 1354 AD. Question 69. Dash was the residence of the famous George the Irish who ruled Haryana in 1798 AD. Option 1 Gujari Mahal. Option 2 Jahaz Koti. Option 3 Sheesh Mahal and option 4 Lat Ki Masjid. The correct answer is option number 2 Jahaz Koti. Question 70. Raja Gopal Singh of Jind seized in Karnal in option 1 1760 AD, option 2 1763 AD, option 3 1773 AD and option 4 1783 AD. The correct answer is option number 2 1763 AD. Question 71. Dash district was formerly known as Kannauj. Option 1 Mahendragarh, option 2 Karnal, option 3 Faridabad and option 4 Jind. The correct answer is option number 1 Mahendragarh. Question 72. Which of the following portal is launched by Government of Haryana to provide transparency in land deals in March 2017? Option 1 E-Dhara, option 2 E-Bhumi, option 3 E-Sarkar and option D E-Custody. The correct answer is option 2 E-Bhumi. Question 73. Leader of the opposition in the Haryana state is from which party? Option 1 Indian National Lok Dal, option 2 UPA, option 3 NCP, option 4 BSP. The correct answer is option number 1 Indian National Lok Dal. Question number 74. Which of the following is Haryanvi language film? Option 1 Pagdi the Honor, option 2 Deer vs Bear, option 3 Dharti and option 4 both Pagdi the Honor and Deer vs Bear. The correct answer is option number 4 both Pagdi the Honor and Deer vs Bear. Question 75. The cost of the lunch and dinner each under Annapurna Rasoi Yojana of Haryana government is option 1 20, option 2 25, option 3 10 and option 4 15. The correct answer is option number 3 10. Question 76. President of India has appointed whom as India's first full-time woman defense minister? Option 1 Nirmala Sitharaman, option 2 Nazma Heptullah, option 3 Smriti Irani and option 4 Sushma Swaraj. The correct answer is option number 1 Nirmala Sitaraman. Question 77. Nicholas Copernicus was option 1 astronomer, option 2 economist, option 3 sociologist, and option 4 philosopher. The correct answer is option number 1 astronomer. Question 78. Light year is the unit of option 1 power, option 2 volume, option 3 time, and option 4 distance. The correct answer is option number 4 guys, distance. Question 79. Meenakshi temple is located in option 1 Ahmedabad, option 2 Mumbai, option 3 Madurai, and option 4 Delhi. The correct answer is option number 3 Madurai. Question 80. Choose the odd one from the following. Option 1 calendar, option 2 minute, option 3 hour, and option 4 second. The correct answer is option number 1 calendar. Question 81. If we arrange all the words given in the option alphabetically, which word would be last in the arrangement? Option 1 shovel, option 2 shoes, option 3 shower, and option 4 shoot. The correct answer is option number 3 shower. Question 82. Find the same relation close DNR WJ open. Option 1 PRHR, option 2 PRJQ, option 3 RPJB, option 4 RZWR. The correct answer is option number 1 PRHR. Question 83. If in a coding language min fin win gin means trains are always late, gin din chin hin means drivers were always punished, bin chin win rin means drivers stopped all trains, and din kin fin win means all passengers were late. Answer the following question. What will be the meaning of win? Option 1 all, option 2 late, option 3 trains, and option 4 drivers. The correct answer is option number 1 guys, all. See on the next page. See on the next page guys. Question number 88. Which of the following is the least heavy metal? Option 1 mercury, option 2 silver, option 3 iron, and option 4 gold. The correct answer is option number 3 iron. Question 89. Leprosy bacillus was invented by option 1 Koch, option 2 Hansen, option 3 Fleming, and option 4 Harvey. The correct answer is option number 2 Hansen. Question 90. Name the unit in which noise of sound is measured. Option 1 ampere, option 2 hertz, option 3 cycles, and option 4 decibel. The correct answer is option number 4 decibel. Question 91. Choose one option that expresses the meaning of the sentence. A person who does not believe in the existence of God. Option 1 theist, option 2 atheist, and option 3 ascetic, and option 4 agnostic. The correct answer is option number 2 atheist. Question 92. Choose one option that expresses the most appropriate meaning for the idiom out of 4 options. to take a thing lying down. Option 1 to bag. Option 2 to submit without resistance. Option 3 to disregard. Option 4 to avoid. The correct answer is option number 2, to submit without resistance. See question number 93. Choose the most appropriate preposition out of 4 options. Reena was invited his friends dash dinner. All options are correct, guys. If we say Reena was invited his friends for dinner, this is also correct. If we say Reena was invited his friends to dinner, this is also correct. If we say Reena was invited his friends with dinner, this is also correct. And if we say Reena was invited his friends over dinner, this is also correct. The all options are correct. Now see question number 94. For blank space, choose the proper article. I waited for dash hour. Option A, option 1 A, option 2 N, option 3 no article, and option 4 the. The correct answer is option number 2 N. Question 95. Choose the pair of words that best expressing a relationship similar to that expressed in the pair of words in capital. Airplane, hangar. Option 1 automobile, garage. Option 2 ship, seaport. Option 3 train station, and option 4 bus, bus stop. The correct answer is automobile, garage. क्वेश्चन 96. निम्न में से पुल्लिंग शब्द नहीं है. पहला समाज, दूसरा विभाग, तीसरा सुपारी, चौथा देश. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर तीसरा, सुपारी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 97. चपला, चप्पल का समरूपी भिन्नार्थक है. पहला बिजली, तेज. दूसरा तेज बिजली. तीसरा बादल, गर्जन. चौथा गर्जन, बादल. सही उत्तर है पहला, बिजली, तेज. क्वेश्चन 98. प्रश्न नंबर 98. निम्न में से किस शब्द की वर्तनी सही है? पहला आधीन, दूसरा देहिक, तीसरा हिंग, चौथा दायित्व. सही उत्तर है चौथा, दायित्व. प्रश्न 99. बिजली का समानार्थी शब्द नहीं है. पहला चंचला, दूसरा सफरी, तीसरा चपला, चौथा दामिनी. सही उत्तर है दूसरा, सफरी. प्रश्न नंबर 100. निम्न में से कौन सा विलोम युग्म सही है? पहला नूतन, आज. दूसरा कुटिल, सीधा. तीसरा रक्षक, तक्षक. चौथा पुरस्कार, दंड. सही उत्तर है चौथा, पुरस्कार, दंड. धन्यवाद गाइस, थैंक यू.